This video will show you how to use Wordsift and an online corpus to discover more about your vocabulary and to practice. So first we go to our vocabulary items, which we should already know. Let's take this example, symmetric key. We start by going to Wordsift. We input the information here, symmetric key. It needs to be written correctly. If there are spelling mistakes, it won't work. And we press Sift. So it tells us that there are two words, and it shows us the result for symmetric here. So we see that it's an adjective, it tells us the meaning, and it shows us the association. So we click a word that's associated with symmetrical, and then it gives us the results for symmetrical. And we can choose them, and we can really go down a rabbit hole with this if we want. Okay, now let's take our second word, key. So we can see that key has a lot of associations here and meanings. It has a verb, it's a noun, it's also an adjective. So there's a lot to unpack with key. And we can also go here and click images and videos, and it will give us audiovisual supports for the information that we have put into Wordsift. Great. Now we go to the corpus of contemporary American English. This is an online corpus. It's free to use, but you do need to sign up. And we take our word, we put it in here, and we click Find Matching Strings. And here are our results. Again, we need to write our words correctly. If we have spelling mistakes, they won't work, so be careful with that. And we click symmetric key. And this gives us results of how this word is used in online texts. Let's try to find some patterns associated with symmetric key. So here we see it's used with encryption, again, encrypted. Here we see that it's used with decrypt, and it's used with decrypt again here. So we can learn a lot about how the word is used by using this. Let's try another one for another one of our words, which is failure. So here's the results for failure. So we see that failure is used here with the preposition to, again with to, and again with to. Here we see it's used with of, again preceded by of, and here followed by of. So we know that the word failure can be used with the prepositions of and to. So let's now take our results and write them down. Patterns and associations of vocabulary. Here we have our information for symmetric key. It's often used with the verb encrypt and decrypt. And we know that key can be used as a verb, adjective, and noun. Failure is often preceded by of or followed by to. So please try this out for yourself, and I think you'll make all kinds of new discoveries and find out how language can be used in real contexts online.